Hello and welcome to my boat and my life, the boating channel. We are current at Stora Nassa, and if you want to see how we end up here on this shallow area, then go back and watch the video before this one. Linda didn't feel comfortable to hold the boat, so I will hold the boat and she will go back to the tree back there and untie the line. On the way over there you can hold in the line, but on the way back you have to climb. The next step is to get out of here without hitting the bottom. It's not a strong wind, but we have some wind here now. That makes it harder to see down through the water, and it makes it a little harder to get on the boat, especially when we have this shallow area on the starboard side. So I really want to hurry up and get on the windlass as fast as possible. And that's what I'm doing with the remote there. Now when we are a couple of meters away from the shore, it's no problem anymore. If we get out of here without destroying the boat, we will go to Lökaö. It's an island east of Möja. The island has this huge bay with lots of places to moor, and I will show you when we get over there. And there we got the last bit of the anchor line in. Now we're going to turn around and actually back up closer to the shore a bit, because I don't want to be out here in the shallow area. We need to locate two shallow spots that we have to go through between, and it's harder to see them now when we have some wind. I think I will go close to the one on starboard side. That's the shallowest one, and I will see that one easiest. When I have located it, I can go back to report a bit. Now we are out on the deeper part, and Linda is finished with the lines, so that's perfect timing, so I can get the dinghy out and we can continue. Now we're arriving at Lökaö. It's this huge bay here with lots of places to anchor at. In the north part you have a sauna and you can anchor all over the place here. We gonna anchor here in the south. I like these huge cliffs and the evening sun you get here. Linda is preparing the lines and I check so the cameras is on. We almost every time use these 50-meter long lines when we jump ashore. I think it's a good length. You don't want to struggle with too long lines when you jump ashore. And you don't want to have too short lines either. Ska dra in lilla båten. Now I will shorten the line to insane again. And it looks like Linda adjusting the camera. Then she will put out the leather and we need all 4 steps for this mooring. Here I'm shooting a spot. I look for a spot that's easy to step off on, and I also look for attachment points for our lines. Let's see if I can adjust the camera a bit here. And it looks like that boat there is going, so we have to give them some space. I know that we will need very long lines here or some spikes. So I prepare with that now when we're waiting for the boat there. Almost no boats, no wind, and it will be so easy to moor today. In the middle here it's a bit shallow, but on port side and the starboard side at the ends they're a bit deeper for sailboats or something. I didn't fly the drone this year, so this is from another year, but you get the picture of how the bay looks, so enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.